Why do Africans bear European names? It didn't start as a choice. Long before European names became common in Africa, African names carried meaning. A name told the story of your birth, your family, your ancestors, even your destiny. To take someone's name was to take their place in the world. Then colonization came. Europe didn't only take land and labor, it took identity. And one of the easiest ways to control people was to rename them. When Africans were brought into colonial schools, churches, and offices, their names were treated as a problem. Teachers said African names were too hard to pronounce. Clerks said they were not official. Missionaries said they were not Christian. So Africans were told, if you want education, take a European name. If you want baptism, take a European name. If you want work, take a European name. Names like John, James, Mary, Paul became tickets to survival. This wasn't admiration for Europe. It was pressure. Over time, parents learned a painful lesson. Children with European names were treated better. They were punished less, promoted faster, and taken more seriously. So parents began giving their children European names, not because African names were inferior, but because the system punished them for having one. What began as force slowly became habit. By the time independence came, the damage was already deep. European names were now on birth certificates, school records, and passports. African names were pushed into middle names, or erased entirely. This is how colonialism continued without chains. Even today, European names are often associated with being educated, modern, or professional, while African names are mocked, shortened, or mispronounced. So when you ask why Africans bear European names, the answer is simple. It was not a free choice. It was a survival strategy inside a colonial system designed to erase African identity. And now, across Africa and the diaspora, something is changing. People are reclaiming African names, teaching their meanings, passing them on again. Because reclaiming a name is not about the past. It is about restoring what was interrupted. Many of us carry names that didn't come from our ancestors. Some came from churches, some from colonial schools, some from survival. What is your name? Does it reflect your roots or Europe's history? Share your story in the comment and don't forget to subscribe.